Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.7% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The gold fell 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil rose 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
U.S. West Texas Intermediate and International Benchmark Brent crude oil futures finished higher, led by the global benchmark, which topped the $75 a barrel level, putting it in a position to challenge its July top at $76. Private equity firm Clayton, Dubilier & Rice is poised to start a bidding war for the British supermarket chain Morrisons, the target of an $8.8 billion offer from a U.S. group. China's role as a key driver of the Australian dollar is being re-evaluated in global markets, helping send the currency to levels well below where traditional modeling suggests it should be.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. ISM Manufacturing PMI will be released at 1400 GMT, the U.S. Market Manufacturing PMI at 1345 GMT, Japan's Tokyo CPI at 2330 GMT. The Dutch Market Manufacturing PMI will be released at 700 GMT, Germany's retail sales at 600 GMT, Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 2330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.